Hello, my name is Miss Steele, your English and Language Arts teacher, and today I'm going to show you how to do a plot diagram. Later this week in our homework, we are going to be required to do a plot diagram with the stories we are given, so I'm going to give you a little example and lesson now so we're not too confused with our homework. A plot diagram is a way to organize the events in a story by being able to plot the structure of the events in the story. Students, you will be able to visualize the key features of a story. A plot diagram consists of the exposition, rising action, climax, falling action, and resolution. By using a plot diagram, you'll be able to visually see where your story starts, comes to a climax, middle of the story, and ends. In a plot diagram, the exposition is the beginning of the story where characters and the setting are introduced. Any background information you learn about the characters or setting is included here. The rising action is when the main character faces a series of conflicts. The climax is the most exciting part of the story and also the turning point in the story. The falling action are the events leading to the end of the story after the climax. The resolution is the end of the story and where all the loose ends are tied up. So, now we're going to go through a sample story to see exactly how this passage can be dissected to fit a plot diagram structure. In Miss Steele's class, John wanted to make the basketball team, but he couldn't shoot a free throw. So, John's older brother decided to help his younger brother make the basketball team. Since John couldn't shoot a free throw, his brother made him practice shooting from different distances. Then, it's time to try out for the basketball team. John's brother encourages him, and they practice during the whole week of basketball tryouts. At the end of the week, John finds out that he made the basketball team. John told the brother was so proud of him that he bought him a pair of his first Jordans. John continued to play basketball throughout high school. So, let's dissect this from the exposition, rising action, climax, falling action, and resolution. The exposition would be John wanting to make the basketball team. The exposition is the first part of the story, and it's where we learn about John and what he wants to accomplish. The rising action would be John practicing shooting his free throws with his older brother and John improving his free throws. The rising action is the series of events the character faces before the climax of the story. The climax is the most exciting part of the story. The climax is when John tries out for the basketball team and makes it. So this is the turning point of the story, because everything in the story led up to this moment that John made the basketball team. The falling action is John's brother buying him some Jordans since he made the basketball team because he was so proud. The resolution is John playing basketball all throughout high school. So, this is how you do a plot diagram, and hopefully this helps you with your homework you get later this week. If you have any questions, you can email me or bring your questions to class. Thank you.